Welcome. It's Halloween. We got some big ass pumpkins here. We're going to eat them.
I hate pumpkins.
That's the video. Sick. Now we're gonna carve them, obviously. I got this thick boy for like $5. She got this skinny boy for like $5 because they're cheaper somewhere else for nicer ones. Anywho, I don't know how to carve a pumpkin, so let's get into it. Sick. That's a solid boy. Now, all I know is that these can get pretty stanky.
Yes, they do.
Stuffy. Don't try this at home. Try it at your girlfriend's house.
I'm sure.
Because that's what I'm doing. I'm a quick boy. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Well done.
This isn't going to focus, but look at that. That looks sick. So we actually need to keep that. So.
Just don't stab yourself. No.
Yeah. We're trying our very best. Just hold it back. Sophie, entertain.
What do you mean entertain?
Just.
Can I do a little with this?
Yeah.
Ready?
Take a message from our sponsors that aren't really sponsors.
We don't have any sponsors.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
You bought a Jeep.
Yeah, I bought a Jeep.
Ready? Oh no, I got it. Ready? Can I?
It looks disgusting.
This is awkward. Can I have a bowl of this?
So. See our amazing background of green.
Scream. No.
No. Actually, that's probably the right color almost to put something on there. Put a cool background on that car. Go. Your bow tie and anything
Jeffrey?
dark is probably going to have anything on there. No, Jeffrey's not good at green. Well,
Green screening.
whatever screening that is. Dark blue navy screening. Dark blue navy.
That's
blue.
not. Oh, that's black.
It's not black.
The blinds.
They're not black.
They are black.
They're navy blue.
They are black. Are the
Can we get an
black?
official adjudicator on this? What color are the blinds in this house? Are they black or navy blue? They are black.
I'm right for once.
They're supposed to.
Witch. Witch! It's Halloween.
Someone just woke up. He's my Zoom editor.
There's so many editors.
And I don't pay them all. I don't pay any of them. Not even minimum wage.
You're even
That's how much budget we have for this. We had to take this stuff from school, from our teacher. That's how low the budget
borrowed.
is. Yeah.
Borrowed.
I just did a really obvious way. I'm going to zoom right in on that. Yeah, Phil. Zoom in on that one, Phil.
Phil Lester?
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who that is?
Phil
You
Lester.
uncultured swine.
That was a weird noise. Jeffrey Weinstein, amp up that noise that she just made. On the next episode of Carl and Sophie in the Big Blue House.
It's not blue.
We're growing pumpkins in our living room.
Nice. It's not our living room.
In our living room, okay. That's not a good tagline. Well, I'm done. Thank you all so much for watching. Goodbye. Exit stage right. Oh! Did you miss me?
No.
Because I'm back. I've just stood on a pumpkin.
A pumpkin.
Yes.
A singular full pumpkin.
Singular full pumpkin. Into the description.
They don't pay you.
They don't pay me at all. Holy moly. Dad, we're gonna need a bigger ball. Play the Jeep.
You bought a Jeep.
Yeah, I bought a Jeep.
We're going to need a bigger boat.
Flamingos are amazing. So Sophie's a garage.
Excuse you. You
yeah.
know I'm. Excuse you. You know I'm clumsy and messy. Shut up. To say the least. This is gross. Oh.
Am I still recording it? Why would you smell it? Are you ready? You ready? Okay. Come. Well then, that was a very, very successful video. And I think that we're gonna call it for tonight. I'm going to bed after we clean up this
Oh, you know.
abomination. No, I'm probably gonna watch a movie. Anyway, thank you for watching, it's pretty sick. I guess we'll see you same place, same time, same crappy content next year. Goodbye. This is what YouTubers do, right?